Welcome to Market Mornings. My name is Robert Roy. This episode is brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com, and it is for Friday, January 20th, 2023. As we get started here, keep in mind everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, not only here on YouTube, ring the bell, follow along with all the latest and greatest that we put out on all of the social platforms that we have. Make sure you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com where you can go and check out all of the free resources that we have available to us. Do not miss out on that. That is a great site to keep up with everything that we're doing. That is free resource to help you become a better trader. All right, let's start off with the economic reports we have today. All orange, nothing red here today. So we've got 10 o'clock, existing home sales. That could be a big one. FOMC, Waller's going to speak at 1 o'clock. You never know what comes out of Waller's mouth. So we'll keep our eye on that, which is why it's orange, right? From there, we're going to go ahead and take a look at futures. The ES is up 275. The Dow is down 43. The Nasdaq's up 47.5, where the Russell is down $3.20. Bitcoin's down 175, still over 21K. Ethereum's down $8, still over 1,500. Gold's up 5. Crude's up 22 cents to 80.84. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our list of stocks for today. All right, let me grab my option chain there. Biogen. Now, Biogen is up $4.51 today. It puts them at $4.74 on Biogen. So let's go ahead and bring that up just a little bit. Maybe one less. Okay. So if they are sitting right now at, let's see, wrong one. I'm looking at Costco. My bad. I don't know why the option chain didn't change. I'm looking at it. It's still showing Costco. There we go. 288. They're up 787. All right. So they got above the 283.44. What's happening? Well, we'll talk about Lilly in a few minutes, but Lilly's drug failed approval for FDA. So they're the only Alzheimer's. They got at least a year is what it's believed that their drug will be out there before Lilly. So they believe that it's just going to be a massive influx to them. So we're going to look at a bull put spread, BPS, below 283. All right, next is Costco. Now we bring Costco up on TradeStation. And what I'm looking at, folks, is just the option chain, right? So they're at 474. They're up $4.51. We're going to bring that out a little bit just so we get a better view of the fibs. There we go. And Costco has a share repurchase they just announced yesterday. It was approved. So they're at 474. Man, we're right below that 476. So we're going to do this two ways. Stock above 477. Then we're going to look at a bull put spread below 476. Or we can look at immediately a bull put spread below 463 or a long option. Costco is one of the 20 stocks that we watch regularly. Actually, we have 3 of them on here today that we trade regularly on power option plays. So if you're familiar with one of these stocks, maybe for you it's Google, maybe it's Lilly, then you could also consider a directional option as long as you know that stock inside and out. Google is the next one. They're up in the pre-market, $3.28. Woohoo! Why? They're laying 12,000 people off. Oh, yeah, I know. Not good for that, right? So right now, that puts them at 96.33. It gets them above the 95.56. Okay, so we're going to look at a bull put spread below 95. We're going to put that down as aggressive. It's just a little bit tight for me. Or an option. Long option. Buying calls would be my preference, of course. Right? Eli Lilly. Crush, kill, destroy. They are getting smack-a-ramming today. They're down $6 to 345 even. They already were in a bearish pattern, not only down below the moving averages, but lower highs and lower lows being put in there. So if they're sitting down at 345 right now, we're about there, give or take horizontally. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 353. Nice. Netflix. Woo! Crushed it last night, baby, on Netflix in the aftermarket hours, right about that 4 o'clock, 4:01-ish time frame. They announced earnings. They came and gapped up, quick little pullback, and then ran for like $10 or so. Netflix was closed, but we could trade the NQ, right? So Netflix right now, subscribership is good. Ads are running well. They are up $19.66 to $335. So we need to scrunch the chart down just a little bit, wiggle it just a little bit. So 335.5. So they're up here. So we're going to look at two things. Bull put spread below. I said 335. So below 331. 331. See, below 331 or a long option. All right, I like it. I like it a lot. It gets them back into bullish bias again. So that's awesome. And then T-Mobile, second time in the last 12 months. I think it was 12 months. It's not long ago. I remember it. Subscriber data hacked. 37 million user IDs, names, some other personal information stolen from T-Mobile in November that we hear about today, okay, which is strange. So they're down $3.44. Sorry about this one, Rick. They're down $3.44 right now to 141.70. They already were in a neutral bias. Now they're down here. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 145. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Make sure you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. Do not miss out on these free resources that are here. Take advantage of it. Check it out. Monday, we've got Power Hour coming up. Today, Friday, we've got Trading Coaches Playbook. Go ahead and get registered on tradinglikeaboss.com for these free trainings, as well as any of the others that you see that interest you. All right, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you at the next update, which will be on Monday. Bye for now.